This is Fox. This is a picture of Fox and a hound, and this is the fox, and this is the hound dog, and this is its best friend that killed Old Chief. But Old Chief, I didn't write on this picture, but this is the fox and this is the hound dog, and the hound dog doesn't want anyways to shoot the fox, because the fox is the hound's dog best friend, and even though the fox killed Old Chief. And Old Chief was sleeping, and then when the fox was a baby and Old Chief was sleeping, and Todd was a baby too. The dog's name was Copper, and the fox's name was Todd, and they still have the same name. And Todd went in Old Chief's sleeping space, and Copper told Todd not to go in there, and then Old Chief got mean, and Old Chief started chasing it, and then the fox started some trouble with the chickens. The fox started chasing some chickens, and then the chickens started running after the fox Todd. And that happened when Todd was a baby. But I drew Todd when he grew up. And his leg got hurt, and I think his leg is broken, but I didn't draw his leg because on the picture there is no leg where I saw it. And this is the hound dog's tail. It just goes right through his little legs. And the fox and the hound dog is in water. That's why there's